on Saturday morning. Today I want to talk about trading a little bit, trading psychology and the mindset that you need to succeed. Yes, there are lots of trades that you can take every day, but are they the right trades? No, they're probably not. Now, the secret to success is picking the correct trades with the correct risk-reward ratio, so you're only risking a little bit of your capital and your potential profit is like 2 times minimum, sometimes maybe 5 times, 10 times what your risk is. This is the way to build up your capital very fast. But you have to stick to these trades. It's no good taking a trade just because you like the look of it. You've got to think to yourself, what is this going to do for my future? What is this going to do to really help me to proceed to get on in life? And this is the mindset, not the day trader mentality, the gambler and the day trader that just goes for this. This is not the way. When you have a trade, you've got to have a plan, a written plan. You've got to think about that written plan, and you need to stick to it. You need to know what you're looking for, what you think, what direction you think the market should be going in before you even open that trade. If you're just throwing darts at the wall, this is completely, you're going to get absolutely nowhere. Everything starts with a plan. You need to have a plan. This is very, very important. Then the stock needs to do what you think it's going to do. It needs to set up like you think it will. And if everything comes right and this is alright, then you continue and you execute the trade. This is the secret. Not taking everything that you think, this is going to go up, this is going to go down, this isn't the way. You don't want to do this really. It's not good. So be selective. Normally there's 3 or 4 times per week when something will really move a lot, and these are the big moves, when the market really moves. Not every day. Remember, you've got 5 trading days per week, so maybe 3 or 4 times there'll be a really, really ginormous move with volume. The other secret is volume. When you've got volume behind a move, then you know that it's got the power for the follow through. You need the follow through. If you got the volume, then this is going to drive it through, and it's going to give you exactly what you need to get the result. If there's no volume, it's not going to really be what you're looking for. So you want to look for volume. This is one of the secrets as well, which is very, very important. So be selective. It's not good to be trading every day, really, and you need to have a plan and you need to stick to it. It's not true that you need thousands or hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands. This isn't true. You can do it with $100, $200, $300. You can slowly build your money up, but you need a plan and you need to have goals. This is very, very important, to have a goal and try and stick to it. But to work with that plan, to work towards that, to not have any pressure on you. You don't want financial pressures to pay the bills, to pay this, to pay that. This isn't really good and it's not going to work. You want to be free of all worry, to do what you need to do and do it the right way. Because when you have pressure, when things are pressurizing you, that's when it's going to go wrong. And if you can keep your head clear keep a clear head, and do it correctly, then this is really the secret to succeed. And the other thing, the way that I have learned, and the number one way, if you want to be successful, is to copy other successful people. Now, I learned from billionaires. This is the way I learned how to trade from Jim Rogers, Mark Fowler, George Soros. And I met them in person and spoke to them, and they're the ones that taught me what I know. And the secret is, the lesson to be learned is, the number one lesson is you always listen to successful people. Don't listen to teachers. Teachers are full of BS. Listen to people who have really done it, who have walked the talk. Listen to people who are the real deal, because these are the ones that you're going to learn from. People like me who have been trading 25 years. I walk the talk. I know the pitfalls. I know the bad things. You can learn from me. I've learned from the school of hard knocks. I've learned the hard way. I've learned lessons that cost me tens of thousands, maybe more when I was younger. But this is the only way to learn. That by listening to somebody like myself, you can save yourself tens of thousands of pounds, dollars. Believe me, you can save yourself thousands. Because these lessons, really, you know, when you learn the hard way, there's nothing like it. This is the only way. But by listening to me, what I'm saying is, you can shortcut yourself. I listened to the billionaires when I learned, and they taught me. But it takes a long time. But you're going to put yourself 10 steps ahead, 100 steps up the ladder. You're going to be ahead by listening to somebody successful. So please smash the like button, subscribe, go and look at my website, check out my website. You can copy me with my trades every day, every week. We have a private Twitter group that you can follow, and you can become a member of my private circle, copy my trades, go and check it out. Do yourself a favour. If you're at all on the fence, if you're undecided and you don't know what to do, you can send me an email, send me a question, no problem at all. I'll be happy to help you with any questions whatsoever. But go and check out my website. Like I say, we give out the trades on a private Twitter channel that nobody else has access to. It's members only, so you get the trades the second that I'm doing them. There's no delay. You put the alert on your telephone, comes through your phone like this, and you get the trade. And this is the way, you know. There won't always be trades every day or every week, maybe. Normally at least something every week. But the key to success is discipline and strategy and having an edge. If you have a strategy with an edge, this equals profit. Without any plan, without any strategy, you're just gambling. You might as well be in a casino playing roulette. But you know that I'm talking sense. If you got a plan and you got a strategy, you're going to succeed. And when you have a plan with a strategy that works, this gives you what they call an edge, like a casino. A casino always has an edge. They call it the house. So the house always wins. The reason why the house always wins is because they have an edge, and that edge equals profit. And traders who succeed and make a lot of money, who know what they're talking about, they all have an edge. This strategy with an edge equals profit, and that's it. And if you do that with experience, you're a proven plan with edge, you know that what I'm saying makes sense. If you're sensible, and if you really want to make money, you really want to succeed in this, you need to listen to somebody who knows what they're talking about. You need to copy them, you need to replicate what they're saying, and you need to stick to it with discipline. And if you stick to that with discipline, and you stick to the strategy, I guarantee you 100% you're not going to fail. You're going to succeed and you're going to make money. So that's all for Saturday. There are no markets today. We don't know what's going to happen with Trump and the trade war next week and the tariffs on China. This is what I'm waiting for. But please do go and look at my website, like and subscribe, and I will speak to you in the next video very, very soon. Please like and subscribe and go and look at the site. And please, if you have any questions at all, send me an email and let me know. Reply in the comments below and let me know. Thank you very much. I'll speak to you later. Bye for now.